check it, it's time to get it gone. Find me with a dime, I'm trying to get it on. Find the right beat and watch me set it off. Watch me get it poppin' till the party's over. When the doors close, find me in the parking lot, getting faded like a barbershop. Trunk banging, let the body rock. Won't quit till the beat stop, like a heart attack. But keep it going, cause I'ma keep it flowing. And maybe later on we can go get a bottle Patron, baby. Go home later together and go crazy. Ain't no imitation with me, I'm homegrown, baby. I'm in the zone daily, so hold on, lady. You may be slim, but I'm hoping that you ain't shitty. I may have beef, but lately it's all gravy, baby. Put your back in action till you break it and bounce.
Go ahead, get down. It don't matter what you're doing right now. It's time to move. Break in your shoes. Ain't no use in holding back. Gon' act the fool. Come on, dance. Forget your regular stance. Put some pep in your step until your neck's in the cramp. Or you can groove like you playing the blues. Go ahead and do what you hear the beat telling you to.
Now see, most of the time I just chill, but this beat got me feeling like $1 million bill. I just can't sit still, make me wanna get up and get rough, and try to do it without spilling what's in my cup. But it's never nothing, I can just cop me another one and keep rocking long as the club is popping like bubble gum. And it is, so I'ma do it real big and holla at lil' mama, I'm digging the way she get. Ooh-wee, I can see the beat got her in a trance. So soon as I see a chance to advance, I'ma tell her we should bounce. Take the party back to the house, but not until the club shut down. For now I wanna see you move like you don't know what to do with yourself, girl. Let your hair down, loosen up your belt, girl. Do your damn thing, it's your world. Working like a pro, girl. You ain't your home girls, just bounce.
Go ahead, get down. It don't matter what you're doing right now. It's time to move. Break in your shoes. Ain't no use in holding back. Gon' act the fool. Come on, dance. Forget your regular stance. Put some pep in your step until your neck's in the cramp. Or you can groove like you playing the blues. Go ahead and do what you hear the beat telling you to.
I'm in the back where the max all big. Hennessy came with us, so the yak's all free. Saw cook the track, so the slaps on heat. And that big cloud of smoke, that's all me. Forensic in the building, the one and only. Got the club on thump, like Bambi's homie. It's some bad ones to scoop, but first I wanna see them all get loose, like Lil Mama. I only got tonight, deadline's crazy. I guess that's the life when you headline, baby. Just show me what you got, go bad and let me see. A preview of you directing me. I got a couple things to do before I pass out. One, seeing you, put your back out. Then it's last call, that's when I cash out. Kill my liquor, pick a winner, get some dinner, then I'm finna
bounce. Go ahead, get down. It don't matter what you're doing right now. It's time to move. Break in your shoes. Ain't no use in holding back. Gon' act the fool. Come on, dance. Forget your regular stance. Put some pep in your step until your neck's in the cramp. Or you can groove like you playing the blues. Go ahead and do what you hear the beat telling you to. Bounce. Go ahead, get down. It don't matter what you're doing right now. It's time to move. Break in your shoes. Ain't no use in holding back. Gon' act the fool. Come on, dance. Forget your regular stance. Put some pep in your step until your neck's in the cramp. Or you can groove like you playing the blues. Go ahead and do what you hear the beat telling you to.
Three, two, one, lift off.
Yes. Q. The flyest thing that y'all
Vision to see.
And I rock it so mean, but yet I keep it so clean. Let's get it, I'm about to get NASA tattooed on my side. Haters wanna know why, because I'm so fly. True religion, jeans, super fresh tee. Hard to find a dude that got that swag like me. Let's get it, I'm about to get NASA tattooed on my side. Haters wanna know why, because I'm so fly. True religion, jeans, super fresh tee. Hard to find a dude that got that swag like me. Let's get it. Staying fresh is an instinct. I don't think I always walked around like my shit don't stink and act like I got a Jay-Z bank. But my swag and cast it away from these like Tom Hanks. Kicks I rock will put your whole life on hold. The way I dress, you would've thought I got signed years ago. I bring it to so ruthless and so hard. I got spade decks for stacking Uno cards. Everybody say cute, you're so cocky and uptight. You're damn right, cause I'm the flyest thing in plain sight. But best believe I keep my game tight. Regardless of how cocky I am, girls call me day and night. I'm wearing chicks, girl, niggas from the feet up. Well, I'm glad the first thing she noticed was my fresh dunks. Stay with the fresh cut, brush in my pocket. If the gear's tight, my name ain't gotta be Tracy the Rocket. I'm about to get NASA tattooed on my side. Haters wanna know why, because I'm so fly. True religion, jeans, super fresh tee. Hard to find a dude that got that swag like me, let's get it. I'm about to get NASA tattooed on my side. Haters wanna know why, because I'm so fly. True religion, jeans, super fresh tee. Hard to find a dude that got that swag like me, let's get it. It's the 203 fly boy, clothes like toys. Being a fresh dude just brings up my utter joy. That's why I smile so much. There's just something about the feeling of a new sneaker's touch. Yup, Outcast never been as fresh and as clean, and Snoop never witnessed the swagger this mean. I stay with more tens than a dream, and I got way more flavors than Wu-Tang's ice cream. Head say I can't believe he's 19. I guess maturity ain't always what it seems, know what I mean? My fun and senses is so keen and got way more to say than the whole debate team. No matter which place I ride, my clothes gonna stick out like Angel Lula Love's backside. Always known as that fly guy that aims high and gets so many looks whenever he passes by. I'm about to get NASA tattooed on my side. Haters wanna know why, because I'm so fly. True religion, jeans, super fresh tee. Hard to find a dude that got that swag like me, let's get it. I'm about to get NASA tattooed on my side. Haters wanna know why, because I'm so fly. True religion, jeans, super fresh tee. Hard to find a dude that got that swag like me, let's get it. Pardon the swag, my nigga, but who's fucking with me? Y'all in a good place, y'all lucky enough to envy. Now sit back and watch history take place while I eat these rap dudes alive without saying grace, aka the rap Hannibal Lecter. Look at rap like the Olympics, but I'm guaranteed to savage all records. Fire dude, don't you agree? And the kid is so hot that the sun should revolve around me. Might as well just pass me my crown. See my voice reach a supernova, and I need to tone it down. Can't help blacking out in the booth. It's like trying to dodge the rain or the snow in the house with no roof. Your style's getting old and stale. Half the story rappers tell y'all is nothing but lies and tall tales, but this dude don't know how to feel. That's why when I'm on the mic, I'm more amped than Dick Vitale.
With security tripping, we bout to pull a kick dog and walk up in the club stomping. We ain't got a tiptoe. That BC dub music got y'all bouncing like a 6-4. And you already know who it is, ho. I came to split your wig, might be off that biz, but I still handle my biz, ho. Just one blow gon' have your head spinning like the Exorcist. I gotta shine. The bottom line is you don't wanna step to this thing. Yo, bitch just blew me a kiss. Don't come at me with no foolishness. Motherfuckers better quit
campaign against her in the 2022 election. So her political future, if she wants, including Steny Hoyer, who's the majority leader, have defended Liz Cheney. They say she's
time to get it gone. Find me with a dime, I'm trying to get it on. Find the right beat and watch me set it off. Watch me get it poppin' till the party's over. When the doors close, find me in the parking lot. Then fading like a barbershop. Trunk banging, let the body rock. Won't quit till the beat stop, like a heart attack. But keep it going, cause I'ma keep it flowing. And maybe later on we can go get a bottle Patron, baby. Go home later together and go crazy. Ain't no imitation with me, I'm homegrown, baby. I'm in the zone daily, so hold on, lady. You may be slim, but I'm hoping that you ain't shitty. I may have beef, but lately it's all ready, baby. Put your back in action till you break it and bounce.